Hey y'all, happy Thursday. It's Amber here, Gemstones Coffee and the Purple Girl. How are you guys doing? It's monsoon day. It's still raining outside. Actually, the sun looks like it's clearing up, but with all this rain has given us time. This is like cozy time. You want to just snuggle in, right? But has given us time to make new pieces. This is like the perfect time for us to sit all day in production. Oh, here's the kitty. Say hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. There's the cat's right there. Hi, cat. Pretty girl. Her name's Penny. She's really cute. We love her. So yeah, well, my coffee cup. So what's in the coffee cup? I don't know. It's actually French roast from Harry Teeter, so that's a plus, right? So, but actually, my coffee cup today is from Stone Mountain, North Carolina. That's where we had a camping trip a couple years ago. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but I really, really want to go camping. I miss it. Just being up in the mountains like this, even today on a day like today. But we have loads of coffee cups, so I know you see one every day from me, and you'll see one again because we just kind of have a little bit of a fetish, I think. Hey, Erica. So we can't help ourselves. We buy lots of coffee cups, but this is just making me think of camping. So I don't know about you guys, but we're ready to go camping anytime. So, what about baking? Baking, anyone? I know that everyone has been in quarantine and doing quarantine baking, and King Arthur Flour Company is trying to figure out how to generate more flour for America going crazy. I've seen that. Kitty cat's going crazy over here, if you haven't seen. Hi, kitty cat. What are you doing? You're distracting. So I have been a baking fool, and I've been enjoying the heck out of it. I know that you all have. So actually, we're going to call it the Great Purple Girl Baking Championship. I'm going to put this up every time I have something new, I think, that I bake. I think you guys should actually put some comments below and show us your best kitty cat. Your best baking shot. What have you made? Because I want to see. If you go on my Instagram on Purple Girl Designs, you'll see some of my shots that I took, including my cheesecake that I made a couple weeks ago. It looks like calcite, like the stone calcite. Hey, Erin. Banana bread, Erica. Oh, yeah, I made a bread. I'm going to talk about that in a couple seconds. That was fantabulous. The cheesecake looked like the stone calcite that I have, which is very creamy. Calcite comes in lots of different colors, but it was so delicious with the graham cracker crust. I'd never done it before, and actually it turned out really well, and I was very proud of myself. The first couple weeks into quarantine, I actually made apple pie, and I had leftover pie crust, so I made these little strawberry pie tart pies with the gel, and it was unbelievable. And then the other part I had was Drexels, which I guess is sauteed mushrooms with some sherry wine vinegar, and I put those in the little pie crust, and I just hand did them in like the mini muffin tin, and I added some Parmesan cheese. Fabulous. But my favorite, Erica, yeah, you got the banana bread. I know Erin, who is watching, my friend Erin, she bakes like crazy. So actually I've learned a lot from her too, because she bakes a lot of bread too. I made a blueberry orange crumb cake. It was out of this world. It was so delicious. It usually is cranberry orange crumb cake, but I added blueberries. I might have had a little bit of a soggy bottom. Baking championship, no soggy bottom. But it was all by far absolutely delicious. So again, check out my Instagram, Purple Girl Designs, because I have all these up there. Today, you can see the chocolate chip cookies. I don't know if you can see them in the background here. Hey. These are the cookies that have been closest to what my mom made, and they're so yummy. They remind me of being a a kid, right? So, and then I have, today I've got my baking beans to par-bake my tart pan. I've got my tart pan here because I'm going to do a blueberry lemon tart, and I've got my bags of decorating. So I am ready. I don't know about you guys. Like I said, pop them in the comments too, and post your pictures because I really want to see who else is baking stuff. Let me take a cup. Drinking the coffee. So what are you guys baking? Because I'm a baking fool, so I want to hear more about you. So we do have new designs. Oh, hey! Okay, someone was enjoying the cookies a bit too much and had to go ahead. Thanks! One less for me. Dang it. I want to give a shout out to my friend Masato. He's a designer in London. This is one of his shirts that I bought years ago when I headed over there and met him in person. And Masato, Masato. He's normally on Twitter, but He makes these badass shirts and all sorts of different designs, and it's amazing. So, but I have some new designs on myself. I've got a couple right here we've uploaded. That's our Queen City Proud collection that we're debuting tomorrow. But there are some up there. I've got a new necklace that I'm rocking out. I'm feeling kind of rocker chick, which not normally, but feeling pretty cool. I've got my earrings from Coco Bolo Studio, which is one of our friends here in Charlotte, Ken, and he makes some really cool pieces of wood. So, but anyway, I just want to give a shout out and a chat about the great Purple Girl Baking Championship and what are you guys baking? Chocolate chip cookies on the docket for me today, besides making new pieces and getting those up on the website, is the blueberry lemon tart. We will be back. I will be back here with my great producer outside, and we are going to be doing Gemstones Coffee and the Purple Girl. Oh, hey, Nami. Nami's on too. On Saturday, the market edition, since we can't really be going to markets again or events right now. Good morning, Haley. We are going to continue our market edition on Saturday, and we will have new designs up in the new design bucket, so you want to check that out. And anklets, because the anklets went so quickly last weekend that I've got a whole slew of new ones coming up. It is the season to go out and show off those toes and those ankles, so yes, I will have some of those. New necklaces, chokers especially. Y'all are asking about chokers. I have lots of new chokers coming out. It seems to be the trend, and I love them. They're cool. So do it for 9:30 on Saturday. That's where I'll be. If you guys ever have any questions, comments, concerns, I want to hear about it. Actually, send me a message. You guys are really good about that. I appreciate it. Last weekend you kept me busy, and all the way through this week too. So we are ready for Saturday. So throw out anything you might have for us. And in the meantime, be safe, be kind, share with everybody. But you know what? Just enjoy who you are and who you're going to be, and buy with confidence with Purple Girl, because that's what we're here for. And by the way, the great Purple Girl Baking Championship, if you have anything that you baked, share it down below in the comments or on my Facebook page. You can check out my Instagram, Purple Girl Designs, because I've posted some of my fabulous bakes on there, but there's more to come. So with that, I'm going to sign off. I will see you guys on Saturday, and I'll see you later. Happy Thursday. Bye.